In this video, I'm going to show you how to lighten your hair with cinnamon naturally. Do you want lighter highlights or to lighten your hair colour universally but always refrain due to its hair damaging effects? Then you're at the right place. Whether it's because of the time of year or just because it's time for a change, it can be fun to try and lighten your hair colour, but bleaching cannot always be considered since it has bad effects on your hair like split ends, frizziness, hair breakages and chemical damage. Cinnamon is truly a magic ingredient for bleaching your hair. I'm going to show you the technique to lighten your hair with cinnamon naturally, but first let's take a quick look at its benefits. The main benefits are there are no side effects, it does not make the hair rough or prone to split ends, which is the case with chemical treatments. In fact, cinnamon makes the hair soft and shiny. Since it's a natural ingredient, the change won't be drastic, so if you're attempting to lighten your hair for the first time, this should be good. It's also easy to use. So here are the two main ways to use cinnamon to lighten your hair naturally. The first is to create a hair mask. So you need to mix a tablespoon of cinnamon with enough water to make a paste. Now add in some hair conditioner so that it sticks to your hair properly and also softens your hair. Apply the mixture to the entire hair or a few strands if you desire highlighted hair. Wrap a shower cap around your strands, then leave the mixture on for at least 6 hours. Then you can rinse it off and enjoy lighter, brighter hair. You may consider repeating the procedure for a more prominent colour change. The other way of doing it is to create a hair mist, which is more of a subtle way to lighten your hair. First, in a vessel, take 2 cups of water and add in 3 tablespoons of cinnamon powder. Bring it to the boil and let it simmer until the quantity is reduced to half. Let it cool, strain and pour in a spray bottle. Use this as a hair mist before a hair wash, as a texturizing hairspray, or simply after a hair wash. You will find if you do this that your hair will become gradually lighter. I hope you've enjoyed this video on how to lighten your hair with cinnamon naturally. And if you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on how to use hydrogen peroxide to bleach your hair, or how to highlight your hair with lemon juice naturally. Thanks for watching and bye for now.